What's going on out there, YouTube? SCL0320 representing JVS. Got my man Joe. Got my woman Alicia.
Why do you say Joe first? I'm your wife. That means you should say my name first.
I got Alicia, my wife. I got my boy Joe. Okay. I'm just trying to make this as quick as possible because they want to go ahead and fly through this. This is the 4th episode, season 7, Game of Thrones, The Spoils of War. What did we think about it? Shortest answer.
Well, it was lit.
Yeah.
Man.
It was on fire. It was on
Good stuff. However, this is my words of wisdom for Danny. Girl, relax, okay? I know you want your throne. I know this. But relax. However, I do respect the go and blow stuff up game. I'm with it.
It was a gamble. Everybody took a gamble.
I like it though because they weren't ready.
No, I mean, even with Jamie taking a gamble, his boy took a gamble, Daenerys took a gamble. I think the biggest thing that I realized about this was just on an epic scope, like Battle of the Bastards. Like that final fight, I did not expect to see that in this episode, and I thought it was amazing. I thought it was great. It was great build up, having Bran, Sansa, and then Arya back. That whole conversation was lit. Yeah. Having Daenerys and Jon Snow together, and her, even though she said bend the knee, like she also went to him like, "What would you do?"
This is
like it was a respect and a compromise going back and forth.
Bend the knee.
But that's how you marry somebody.
She ain't trying to get married.
But I'm saying like the symbolicism behind that is anyway.
Yeah.
What do you think, Joe? Your final thoughts?
It was dope.
All right, and there you have it, Joe Johnson.
On this episode, took a match, and it was like time, and just watched everything just went up in flames with the dragon.
The moment when you realize you're sitting next to Lame and Lamer, who do things like time.
Factually, okay. So this is my whole thesis, and I'm gonna be done. So the fact that, cause Daenerys took so many L's between these last two episodes.
She been taking some
all the L's.
This was like. Okay, she's still in this fight, and she still got like 3 big dogs in this fight. Like for real, like she's still a huge threat to Cersei. Yes. And I didn't really think of that until like the end of this episode. Yeah, like I thought that for real they was done.
Yeah, they were taking some serious losses. Like Cersei was on top. Like she got the money, she got her other crew on the side, and so yeah, I thought it was a really good episode. 10 out of 10 for me. What y'all think? But she don't rate stuff.
I don't rate stuff.
I give it a 9. I give it a 9.
Yeah.
It was good though.
I thought it was a 10. I thought it was the best episode this season.
Because the Dothraki was like, people forgot how gangster the Dothraki really are.
Dude, they don't play no game
style.
But the reality is, it don't mean the hill of beans because the White Walker's coming. Winter is here. I'll talk to y'all soon. Keep it locked. JVS, we ain't gonna stop. Look for our reactions pretty soon. Peace, guys.
Bye.